Hello YouTube watchers, this is Blue Bonnet, and today I'm talking about fishing and crabbing in Houston area, including Galveston. And if you are enjoying fishing and crabbing, this is it. This is for you. If you do not know much spot in the Houston area, I personally endeavor many different areas, ask around a lot, but let me cut down the chase and tell you the results first. One of the place I recommend, okay, for the crabbing first, okay, near the NASA Road 1 and Clear Lake Park, and there's a the boat ramp here, and this is a good spot for fishing and crabbing, but as a result, the crabbing is much better here. I tried twice and I never failed. Got 3 crabs each time, spending averagely 2 hours around. Okay, let me show you some results. Okay, let me show you the area, and this time is after the pouring, so watercolor does not look good, but normally sunny day it looks pretty, and many boating people here. And then now they recent year they have the pier looks newer and better. It covers long range, far out, so it's good for fishing and the crabbing even. Okay. Alright, so what's happening here? Okay, so I use the crab net, and as you know, typically using a chicken leg, we call it a drumstick, and I see I caught this one and caught this guy, and yeah, and oh, this guy actually I caught it in Texas City in Houston area too. I tried many different spots, but not really got any good results. That's why I cannot recommend it. But I got a good caught. See a long peninsula. This is Texas City. And there's many piers here, and many people are fishing, and crab. Not many crabbers, but me, I'm a good love crabbing here. I got caught this guy over there, and at the time in the pier, Texas City, somebody caught this huge fish at the same day. He borrowed the fishing net, and this is incredibly big, and he had to he couldn't manage himself, bring it out from the water, and 2 guys worked together at the time. So as you see that Texas City, many fishermen, but at the time I got that the crab using that same crab net. Alright, Jamel Bay Park is nice area and easy access to water and fishing. I tried fishing and crabbing, I couldn't get any, so I don't know much of it. Yeah, this is same clear the same first clear lake park. Okay, where is it? Yeah, right here. Yeah, NASA Road, Clear Lake Park. Yes. So same area. 2 years ago I got caught. This is the Galveston. If you want to try a little bit more long journey, and I suggest a deep sea fishing. All you have to do is pay the money, and there's some business deep, like ocean fishing. It's just type like a deep sea fishing, and trip, and like a half day course, or like 4 hours, or longer, like 8 hours. It depends on the situation. um, but you can get sick if you have that issue. Then I suggest a shorter trip first. Okay, so I tried that. I think 2 years ago. I got couple hammerhead shark. This is a shark actually. 2 times, and released. So this is the place, the Galveston deep sea fishing, the charter company. So yeah, so this is a spot you want to try, and let me know if you have any good spot, and then please share your favorite spot for audience and me, and that will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching.